Kolbrin Bible, Book 6, Book of Morals and Precepts, Chapter 40, Envy. Much of the book is to develop your moral code. Avoid using it to judge others. NPR 44. No flame of goodness warms the spirit of the envious man, and it perishes in the chill bleakness. He sits alone enveloped in a soul-misforming cloud of malice and envy, and to his poisoned thoughts, the good fortunes of another appears to be a thing of evil. NPR 45. He hates those who excel him, and encompasses himself with a wall of wickedness, so that he is cut off from the good of earth. His little heart schemes the downfall of others, but he himself falls into the pit which has been dug. NPR 46. He is ever on the alert for evil and on watch for wickedness, for they are never far from him. They overwhelm him, and his spirit flounders in the seething seas. Some will only use you damaging how others see you, since they are acting using your authority. Others, however, will actively work to usurp your position in the eyes of others while smiling and saying many nice things to you. The only guard you have is learning to focus on their actions, and most important, notice how do they treat those beneath them. What is the opinion of those that must live at their mercy? They will not bother hiding themselves from those that have nothing to offer. One disgruntled person might just be petty. Many people, however, you should begin to keep a closer eye. Once they have your position, they will only allow the petty to be around them. The last thing they want is a reminder of their own lack of morality and character. In truth, those of character will soon leave, since they can hardly thrive without embracing some of what the petty embraces.